Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pretty much get your Windows key back. Now, for some reason, your Windows key, when you accidentally press it, so like you see right here, you press the Windows key, it brings up that, right? So let's say you accidentally don't know why your Windows key is not working. There's a certain function on your keyboard that you may have accidentally pressed, and I'm about to show you here today. Now that button is one simple key. Now as you guys can see, my keyboard's right here. Now I'm going to show you, if you press FN, okay, which is your function key, as you guys can see, this button right here is FN, your function key, and you press Windows, you are going to put your Windows key in lock mode, meaning, you see, whenever I press my Windows key now, nothing pops up. Whenever I press my Windows key now, pressing it, nothing pops up. Whereas, let's say I try this again, function, Windows key. Now I'm pressing the Windows key, and look at that. It's popping back up just like that. So that's pretty much how you do it. If you ever come across when you're gaming and your Windows key doesn't work, try function in the Windows key, and that should put it unlocked. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.